Welcome to another episode of surdmanmaths. Alright, so based on popular demand, I asked a question and between indices and variations topic to handle, and indices was chosen. So let's get into it. Now, when we talk about indices or index notation is a shortened form of writing numbers. I would say index notation is a method of shortening the product of numbers. Is a method of shortening the product of what numbers. So let's say we have 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. Now to write this in index form, we are going to have to be 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 7 raised to power 4. And this is what we call what index. And this is index of what is now in a system whereby we have 2 or 3 of them together. That is what we call what indices. Let's get down to it. So dealing with indices, there are 7 laws of indices, although some will tell you 8 laws of indices, but basically there are 7 laws of indices. Now, why is it 8? The reason why it's 8 is that the last law is kind of a combination of 2 different laws together. So some do split it as one, making it 8. But basically, we have 7 laws of indices. So let's go with it now. The first law of indices is the multiplication law. The first law is what we call the multiplication. Now we have multiplication law. What does multiplication law says? When two same bases multiply each other, we simply bring out one of their base and add their powers. So let's see this now. So we have x raised to power 3 times x raised to power 4. What do we do here? Multiplication law tells us we'll bring out one of the base and add their power, which will give us 3 plus 4. So we're going to have x raised to power what? 7. So let's say we have 3 raised to power x times 3 raised to power y is going to be 3 raised to power x plus what? Y. So if we have let's say we have 2 raised to power 8 times 2 raised to power 3 times 2 raised to power 2. So we're going to have 2 raised to power 8 plus 3, that is 11. 11 plus 2, 11, 12, 13. That is 8 raised to power what? 13. And this is multiplication law. Alright, see, let's go to the next one. We'll be treating the laws one after the. So let's go to the next one. The next one we have here is division law. Now, this division law states that whenever two same bases divide each other, we'll bring out one of the base and subtract their powers. Let's get into this. So, say we have 2 raised to power 9 divided by 2 raised to power 7. What we do here is simply say 2 raised to power 9 minus 7, which will give us 2 raised to power 9 minus 7 is what? Is 2. That is 2 raised to power 2, which is what? 4. So the answer to this is 4. So we have 2 raised to power, let's say 12, divided by 2 raised to power, let's say 6, which will give us what now? We have 2 raised to power 12 minus 6, which will give us 2 raised to power 6. And 2 raised to power 6 simply means 2 into 6 places. What does it mean? So we have 2 raised to power 6 here. 2 raised to power 6 simply means 2 into 6 places, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 2, 6. So let's see what we're going to have. So 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2, that's 32. 32 times 2, that is 64. That means 2 raised to power 6 will give us what? 64. And this is how to do it under division law. So now, okay, that means let's see our next value. Say we have here to be, let's say, x raised to power, let's say x raised to power, let's say 10, x raised to power 10 divided by x raised to power 2. Answer will give us x raised to power what? 8. So this is still the same, okay? So let's say we have 3x raised to power, let's say raised to power 2. Are we following now? 3x raised to power 2 divided by x. Okay, let's say 3x here raised to power, let's put this 10, and here x raised to power 8. So what do we have here? This will give us 3x, 10 minus 8, which will give us 2. So that's going to give us 3x raised to power 2. And this is how to do it. Thank you. Bye. Check out my next video for the other laws.